Hello, this is Sam Pigs Gaming and welcome to a Pokemon deck review again. This is the Fennekin deck, but I've made a couple of updates to it and made it a little bit more better. In the background there is Hayden.
Hello.
And I think we'll do as usual, start with the energies. So, one darkness energy, darkness. So let's just do the counting one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 darkness energies. And then I think we've got like count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 fire energies as well. So there's the energies just done. Oh, beautiful. Oh!
You're not coming?
Sorry, no, ma'am.
You sure?
And here we have the...
Okay.
Sorry, that was my mum. I'll probably cut that bit out. We have the trainer cards. So I'll put Frozen City in. Pokeball, Tierno, Switch, Pokeball, Pokemon Catcher, Tierno, Pokeball, Switch, Pokemon Catcher, the new one, flip a coin if heads. You gotta flip the coin, Pokeball, and a Dark Claw, which I added in myself, the Dark Claw. Got it in a pack and I thought that it would be pretty cool. Now we're moving on to Pokemon. This has got 2 EXs in and 1 full art. So Pochia, Reshiram full art, Panzea, Darkrai, Team Plasma, Fennekin, Britskin, Delphox, Fletching, Fennekin, Brixen, Delphox, Darkrai EX, Brixen, Fennekin, Purlon, Radiant Collection, Panzea, Puchia, Mintiana, Puccina, Britskin, Puccina, I think, Furfro, Inkay, Fennekin, Reshiram Hollow, Mightyena. So I think that's it for the Fennekin deck. And bye!